Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is an update video. If you remember, I had done a repotting of this particular succulent because it was root bound. There were some roots coming out from the drain hole. So I went ahead and repotted it in another pot, a slightly bigger one. And you can see how it looked. It was quite compact. The leaves were closed inwards, and I knew that this succulent needs a little bit more space in order to grow. Plus the succulent was kind of tucked inside the pot, due to which it was not able to open up. And then I went ahead and put it in another pot wherein it was a little bit above the edge of the pot, so it could open up further. And today, this is how the succulent looks. You can see it looks absolutely stunning. The leaves are wide open, and it is also about to flower, which indicates that it is very comfortable in the new pot. I had watered it recently, so that's why the leaves are wide open. Apart from that, there is a lot of moisture in the environment, so that has helped the plant open up much further. Now, of course, I won't be watering it until the leaves start to close inwards. At this point of time, watering for this succulent will be completely stopped because the leaves are wide open, and you can see the leaves are very plump, very stiff. This indicates that it is completely hydrated. So it is going to be a long time before I'm going to be watering this again. But you can see overall it looks absolutely stunning. Again, the colors are missing because there is hardly any sun. It is a very cloudy weather. But as and when the winters will approach, the colors will get more intense. You can already see the color on the tips. So I'm very excited to see how it will color up during the winters. Probably it will get even more intense colors on the tips. We will get to know once the winters come in, or once the winters set in. We will get a fair idea. So just wanted to give you a quick update on this beautiful succulent. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.